really fine. 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. I'm really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어.
Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. I really appreciate you. Okay, so I'm going to be making a very wonderful drink for you to stay healthy, to take care of so many diseases and infection. So this drink will as well help you to stay, to get erect. For men, if you suffer from lack of erection, this will help you. If you want to boost your immune system, this will help you. You want to take care of blood pressure, this will help you. So you want to know how to make this, keep watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and also share this video to everyone. Okay, let's go into the making of this healthy drink for you to stay healthy and never fall sick anymore. So I'll be making use of cucumber, I'll be making use of lemon, and two other more ingredients. Okay, I'll be adding two other ingredients into this. So first thing you have to do is to wash it thoroughly. Yes, make sure everything is very clean. So I'm going to be making use of a full-size cucumber. So the next thing to do is to transfer it into my blender. So cucumber here is so important for our health. It's very hydrating. It contains important vitamins and minerals. Has high amount of water in it, which is great for our health. Helps to regulate digestive system, lower blood sugar levels. Okay, so this is important, very important. So the next ingredient to add in here is ginger. So ginger is so important, like you have to get ginger. All right, and I won't be making use of everything, just these two is enough, or you can make use of just a little piece like this. I'll go ahead and wash it. Then I'm going to scrape the back. Transfer into the blender. So the addition of ginger here is so important as well. Ginger has potent antioxidants, improves blood circulation to all parts of the body. It helps to reduce nausea, fights flu and cold. It treats arthritis, inflammation, and reduces diabetes, even cancer. So this is very important. For those that suffer from erection, if you don't have erection, you have to consider adding ginger into your drinks because it will help you to have one. Okay, we're actually going to be making use of lemon juice because it's very important for our health. Lemon juice are packed with vitamin C, has so many health benefits, helps to manage blood pressure, reduces toxins from digestive system. So this is just so cleansing, like it will help to boost your immune system and keep you healthy always. So I'll be squeezing out only the juice, and that is all you need. I actually thought I was filming this, so I turned off my camera without knowing. I squeezed in 2 tablespoons of my lemon juice, as you can see, with the help of my strainer. So you have to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice into this, and you add the quantity of water you need. So this is 2 glasses of water. So lemon juice are packed with vitamin C, has so many health benefits. It helps to manage blood pressure, reduces toxins from the digestive system. So I'm going to go right now to blend it, then I'll come back very soon. So after blending it, it's going to look like this. Look at how it is. Looking so inviting. So the next thing I'm going to do is to strain it out. Of course, because I don't like drinking it like this. I love it light, you know, not thick. So I'll have to use a spoon to stir it, to strain out more juice. Alright, so after straining it out, the next thing I'm going to do is to transfer it into my storage can. Yes, this is so healthy. Yeah, so this is the remain from the 2 glasses, and I'll just drink this later. So this is how to store it. You have to keep it in the refrigerator, okay? And whenever you want to drink it, you just have to get a glass like this. Just get a glass and transfer the amount you want to use, okay? You can store yours in a bigger jar so that whenever you want to drink, you have to transfer it here before adding the next ingredient, which is honey. So honey here is full of antioxidant compounds, which helps to reduce the risk of heart diseases, increases blood flow to your heart, and keeps you very healthy, okay? So whenever you want to get honey, make sure you use organic honey. Though honey here is optional, but I love it a lot because it helps to improve the blood circulation all parts of your body and also supporting erection. All the ingredients are so powerful in making a man to be, you know, erect, for those that suffer from that. So before adding your honey, you have to transfer the quantity you want to use. Remember to store it in the refrigerator. Make the quantity you want to use. If you need it in a large amount, you have to double the ingredients. Get more cucumber, get more ginger, and get more lemon juice. So I'll be transferring it into the glass. Yes, so I'll be drinking 1 glass of the remedy, and later I will drink 1 glass tomorrow. So I'm going to keep this for tomorrow use because you have to be drinking it 1 glass every day, 1 cup every day. Okay, so it's time to add my honey, and 1 tablespoon is enough. You know, this is also good to sweeten it, though the taste is not bad, okay? It's not bad at all. So make sure you mix it very well until everything is properly mixed. And this, you have to take it first thing in the morning every day. So this is going to help your overall health, lower high blood pressure, control blood sugar. For those that have high blood sugar level, you have to skip the honey. You don't need to add honey, okay? So you have to take it like this, in this form, without any sweetener. So make sure you get organic honey and take your drink, 1 glass in the morning every day until you get better. Repeat this every day and you see your overall health changing drastically for the best. You will have good erection, your skin will pop out like you have a very healthy skin. Yes, this helps to polish the skin, makes your skin to glow from inside. So for those that suffer from dryness, for women, this will help to make you not to have dryness anymore, okay? So take it every day and you get perfect result. And whenever you finish it, you have to make a fresh one. Continue like that until you are okay. With this remedy, you will hardly fall sick as well. No flu, no cough, no cold, and you will always stay healthy. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, kindly do so by hitting the red subscribe button. Turn on the bell so you get notified whenever I upload videos like this. I'll see you in my next video.